Ito na tayo, guys. Food delivery again. Ito, guys. Na yung aking, ito siya is yung insaladang talong yan, guys. And this one, teka lang, ayan na naman si chopstick naman. Ito lang, guys. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. Ngayon lang ako kumain yan, ha? Now lang. Last Christmas and New Year, wala eh. So, ito guys. Ayan. Insaladang talong, pork barbecue, lechon kawali. Pork barbecue, lechon kawali. Andito pala. So, ito yung pork barbecue ata, guys. Let's see. Diba? Oh, ito na nga. Pork barbecue, guys. And this one is the insaladang talong. Ayun na, oh. Lumabas na, oh. So, ito na, guys. Tandararan! Yung insaladang talong ko, guys. Ayan. Ayan, insaladang talong. So, ito na nga, guys. Insaladang talong na may bagoong. And then, pork barbecue. Nag-iisa lang yan. Isa lang yung kinuha ko niyan kasi favorite ko yan. And then, ito, guys. Ang pinaka-main. Ayan. Tawag dito, lechon kawali. Ayan, guys. Kunin natin yung kanin. So, ayan na. Luto na yan, guys. Yun, luto na. Ayan, guys, ha. Ayan na yung aking meal for lunch. So, late na ako mag-lunch, guys. Insaladang talong with bagoong, pork barbecue, and lechon kawali. Yan, guys. And the kanin.